Hello everyone, welcome to your journey of Python learning. Today you will learn very interesting topic in Python, that is package. You may have lots of questions regarding package, but don't worry, stay tuned till end of the video. You will get answer of all this question. Hi, this is Krupali from KnowHow Academy. So let's start learning with me. Before going ahead in this video, let me tell you what you are going to learn in this video. In this video, you will learn what is package, why there is a need of package in Python programming, how to implement package concept practically in Python, and last but not the least, what can be the interview question that can be asked based on this package concept. So first of all, let me explain you with the real life scenario why there is a need of package. Imagine you are designing your house. So you will not design all the components of a house in one go. But what you will do, you will first design bedroom, then you will design drawing room, then you will design your kitchen, then you will design your wash area, and then you will also design your garden area. So separately all these things you will design, and then you combine them, and then you will form your beautiful house, right? So same way in Python, if you are doing programming on anything, so you will not design all the required processing in one go. But what you will do, you will develop a code for certain task, then you test it, then you will put aside. Then you will take second task, you will write a code for that, and then you will test it. And then you will combine task 1 and 2, and then your program will made. So same way package concept work. So basically package is a container for storing different module. You may have a question. What is module? How to implement in Python? We have already created video on that. The link of this video you can find in below description. So let's come back to our package. As I told you, it's a container which combines several modules. So let's implement the package concept practically. I am doing code in Visual Code Editor. So what first step you need to do while writing package program? First of all, you need to make a directory inside your folder or where you are writing your code, and inside that directory you need to form different modules of a Python. Remember, when you are designing a Python package programming, it is compulsory to create init.py file in your directory. You may have a question, why init.py file? Because it is indication to the Python interpreter that the entire folder you need to consider it as a package. And you can write code inside your init.py file, or you can write it blank. So let's implement it. So first of all, I am in my YouTube folder, and I have already designed a package inside that, but right now I am designing one more package. So let me create from the scratch. So you need to create a folder and give any name to the folder. So I am giving a name as a demo underscore package. Now inside the package folder, as I told you, you need to develop init.py file. So let me create init.py file. So underscore init underscore .py. So it is indicating that demo underscore package folder is a package in Python. So I have created, I am not writing anything. Then inside that you need to write any Python code. So in that I am developing two modules. One module for sorting the list data and printing it, and the second module is finding the summary of a list element. So let me create it. So I am creating one new file and giving a name as a file as summary.py file, and I am creating second file that is a sorting.py file. So let me write a code inside that. I have already written a code, let me show you. So in sorting file, I have designed one function which will accept the list, and then using a bubble sort technique, it is sorting entire list. And in a second file, that is summary, it is finding an average of a list. So here I am accepting list as an argument. Then after, you need to design one file, which file? Python file which can include or which can import that package. So how you can import that package in your Python code? So let me create a new file, or I am naming it as a demo.py file. So this is my main program where I am going to use this package. So first of all, you need to import the package. So you should write from, then the name of a folder, it will automatically appear, demo package. Then you need to write import. How many modules you want to import at a time? So I want to import that sorting module. So you need to write sorting. Automatically suggestion will come in Visual Code. So automatically that sorting.py file code will be there. And after writing a comma, you can include the second file, that is summary.py file. No need to write here .py, automatically it will understand this is a Python code. Now after that, you need to use the code which is written inside that. So I need to call an average function. So first of all, let me create a list 1, and let me create some element inside that. So this is my list data. Now I want to first of all view the summary of a list, that is what is the average of that. So how you can do that? So you can write print, and you need to call the function which is there inside a summary.py file. So there are two ways. First of all, you need to write the name of a module, that is summary. Then you need to write dot. Automatically whatever the function you have developed, here you can see that. So I have developed an average function, and it is asking for one parameter. So here you can see that list data. So I am giving my list 1 as a argument. Now let's save it and let's run it. So you can see that summary of that, or you can say average of the list, is printed. Now let me show you the second way. So the second way is that you need to write from demo package, then you need to write from which module. So from summary module, what you want to import? I want to import one function, the name of a function, let's say is average. Okay, so let me remove this, and you need to write import and then name of a function. So basically when you see this type of thing, before the dot and after the dot, it is indicating that before the dot whatever it is written, that is called package, and from the given package I am using this module. So summary module you can see here, and from the summary module, that is, let me show you again. From the summary module, I am importing only average function. Some 3 or 4 functions are there, only one function will be imported. Okay, so this is the way of importing a required function. Okay, so average. And if you write like this, as you have mentioned it before, that is demo package, and then import summary. It is indicating to the Python interpreter that whatever the number of functions are there in a given module, all the function you need to import it. And you can import a separate function by writing this. So whichever your choice is there, you can use it. So let me write the second way right now. Here no need to write the package name. Automatically by writing this average function, automatically it will call it. And let me save it and print it. So again it is printing that. Okay, and here it is printing none. The reason is that in summary I am printing it, so it is printing, and again it is printing the print of that. So let me just remove this, so it will not print none value, and save it and run it. Here you can see that the average of list is that. Now let's import a second module from the given package. So you can write from demo package, import which module? Summary module I am importing it. So you can write this way. And then if you want to sort it, you need to write print. So in print statement, I am calling the sorting function. So here you need to write, sorry, here not summary, but here you need to import sorting package. So you need to write sorting dot. So whatever you have written, that is called method of that module, or you can say function which is written inside that. So my module name and functions names are same. So that's why I am writing like that. Let me show you. So here let me change the name of a function, sort1. Okay. And go to the demo package, and here you will find the name of a method. And inside that I am passing my entire list. You can pass any other variable, or you can pass n number of variable, it's your choice, but right now I need to pass only the list. So I am writing list. Okay, so let me just save it, clear this and run it. So here you can see your entire list is sorted in ascending manner. So this way you can make your own package in Python. Now in Python you need to use sometime external package. So how you can use that? So let's say you are working on a project in which you need to design beautiful graphs and charts. So for that you need to install some libraries or some packages. So for that you can write this command pip install, and then what can be the name of a package. Let's say I want to install pandas library. So what is panda? I will explain in upcoming videos, but right now assume that pandas is one type of package which is not available in your computer, but you want to use that package. So for that you need to install that package, and then you can use rest of the functionality which is there inside a package, or the method which is there inside a package. This way you can install external package in your Python program. Now it's time for interview question. So let me show you the interview question. What can be the difference between module and package? What is the use of init.py file in Python? Does Python 3 support the package which do not contain init.py file? And the last question is, which package you have developed in your last project? Thank you for choosing KnowHow Academy as your source of IT knowledge. We are always here to help you to navigate to the tech world. If you have any question, don't hesitate to reach out us. It has been a pleasure to share this information with you. Stay curious and keep learning.